Hello students, let us continue with our English grammar third weekly practice revision. Today we are going to see question 1a. Pick out the pronouns and state its kind. Let's recall. Now what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Now we all know that there are 7 kinds of pronouns. They are personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun and relative pronoun. Now let us study about all these 7 kinds of pronouns in detail. First one is personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Pronouns that stands for the first, second and third person are called as personal pronoun. Second one, reflexive pronoun. Pronouns that refer to the same person as the subject of the verb are known as reflexive pronouns. Now words such as myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves and itself, they refer to the same persons as the subjects to the verbs. Now the third kind is emphasizing pronoun. Pronouns that are used for the sake of emphasis are called as emphasizing pronouns. Now words such as myself, ourselves, yourselves, himself, herself, themselves, itself are used with a noun or pronoun for the sake of emphasis. Now what is the main difference between reflexive and emphasizing pronoun? The main difference between these two are that reflexive pronouns comes after the verb in the sentence and the reflexive pronoun is related to the subject of the verb, whereas emphasizing pronouns, they comes before the verb and they are followed by the subject of the sentence, and it is also used for the sake of emphasis in the sentence. Fourth one is possessive pronoun. Pronouns that shows possession or belonging in the sentence are called as possessive pronouns. Words such as yours, mine, hers, his, ours, theirs shows possession and hence they are used instead of the nouns. Fifth one is demonstrative pronoun. Now what are demonstrative pronouns? Pronouns used to point out the object for which they are used are called as demonstrative pronouns. Now words such as these, that and those points out the objects for which they are used. So all these words are known as demonstrative pronouns. Then sixth one, interrogative pronoun. Pronouns that are used to ask questions are known as interrogative pronouns. Now words such as whose, whom, what, which and who are used for asking questions in the sentence. Therefore, these pronouns are known as interrogative pronouns. Seventh one, relative pronoun. Pronouns such as who, whom, which and that, which join the sentences and refer back to the nouns going before them are called as relative pronouns. Now let us start with this exercise. Question 1a. Pick out the pronouns and state its kinds. First one, they went to the museum. Over here, they is a pronoun. Which kind of pronoun it is? Personal pronoun. So the answer will be they, that is personal pronoun. Second one, the only people there were ourselves. Over here, ourselves is a pronoun. Which kind of pronoun it is? Reflexive pronoun. Why? Because over here, ourselves refer to the same persons as the subjects to the verb. So the answer will be ourselves, that is reflexive pronoun. Third one, Joseph himself went to check the gate. Over here, himself is a pronoun. Which kind of pronoun it is? It is an emphasizing pronoun. Why? Because himself we can see over here. which is a pronoun, and it is also used for the sake of emphasis in the sentence, and it is followed by a subject, and it also comes before the verb, that is went. Therefore we can say himself is an emphasizing pronoun, as it is used for the sake of emphasis in this sentence. Number 4, Jack is the boy whose sister is a famous tennis player. Over here, whose is a pronoun. Which kind of pronoun it is? It is relative pronoun. Why? Because it is used to join two sentences, as well as we can also say over here whose does two things. First one is it joins two sentences, and the second one is it is also used for the noun, that is boy, which goes before it. Therefore we can say whose is a relative pronoun. Fifth one, who is there at the door? Over here the starting of the sentence is with a question form, that is who. At the end we can see question mark. So very easily we can get the answer. The answer will be interrogative pronoun, as over here we can see there is a question. It is in question form. So the answer will be interrogative pronoun. Sixth one, that is my bag. Now here we have two pronouns. The first one is that and second one is my. Now that is a pronoun. Which kind of pronoun it is? It is demonstrative pronoun. Why demonstrative pronoun? Because it is used to point out an object or to point out a thing, and that thing is bag. And second one is my. Over here my will be possessive pronoun, as it is used in the sentence to show the possession or belonging with the bag. So answer will be that, which is demonstrative pronoun, and my, which will be possessive pronoun. Number 7, those shoes are his. Now over here those is not a demonstrative pronoun. Why? Because those over here, when it is placed before the noun, over here noun is shoes, so it will work as a demonstrative adjective, not as a demonstrative pronoun. So therefore we will not consider it as a demonstrative pronoun, because it comes before the noun, and that noun is shoes. Only one kind of pronoun is there in this sentence, and that is his. His will be possessive pronoun, as it is used to show some possession or belonging in this sentence with the shoes. Number 9, he agreed to look after the baby. So over here he is a pronoun, and which kind of pronoun it is? Personal pronoun. Number 10, you will hurt yourself. Now over here we see you, which is a pronoun, and with you there is one more pronoun, that is yourself. So yourself will be reflexive pronoun, as it refers to the same person as the subject to the verb. This is reflexive pronoun. Before reflexive pronoun there is a verb, that is will hurt, and before this verb there is a subject. So we can say yourself is a reflexive pronoun, as it refers to the same person as the subjects to the verb, or as the subject to the verb. 11th one, the man who is honest is trusted. Now over here when we say the man who is honest is trusted, who is a pronoun. Which kind of pronoun it is? It is relative pronoun. Why? Because it also refers back to the nouns going before them. Therefore it is said to be relative pronoun. 12th one, this is a very old coat. Now over here this, these, it is again a pronoun, and which kind of pronoun it is? Demonstrative pronoun. Why? Because it is used to point out an object or to point out a thing, and that is old coat. 13th number, the blue hat is mine. Now over here when we say the blue hat is mine, mine is a pronoun. Which kind of pronoun it is? Possessive pronoun. Why? Because mine over here shows the possession or the belonging. It shows the possession or belonging, that the blue hat is mine, or the blue hat belongs to me. 14th number, whom were you speaking to? So the starting of the sentence is with a question form, that is whom. At the end we can see question mark, so it will be interrogative pronoun, as over here in this sentence we can see question is being asked. So the answer will be whom, as an interrogative pronoun.